Hello everyone, welcome back. It's time for Lesson 12. Lesson 12 of Math class. My name's Ted, and I'm so happy to see you again. What are we studying these days? I know we're studying about measuring things, right? Measurements, measuring things. Yes, that's right. So today we're going to look more closely at measuring things. We talked about measuring length and measuring weight. Today, we're going to concentrate on weight, measuring weight. What do we use when we measure weight? What standard units? Grams and kilograms. That's right. And that's our title today. Grams and kilograms. Two standard units that we use to measure weight. Here are our 5 key expressions. Please listen carefully and repeat what you hear. Number 1, you can use grams when you weigh things. You can use grams when you weigh things. Number 2, you can use kilograms when you weigh heavy things. You can use kilograms when you weigh heavy things. Number 3, David weighs 50 kilograms. David weighs 50 kilograms. Number 4, 1 kilogram is the same as 1,000 grams. One kilogram is the same as 1,000 grams. And number 5, for quantities larger than 1,000 grams, kilograms are usually used. For quantities larger than 1,000 grams, kilograms are usually used. Okay, very good. Those are our key expressions. You got them? Okay, now let's go to the chalkboard and begin today's lesson. Please remember to listen for those key expressions. See you at the chalkboard. Okay, here we are. Welcome back. We are at the chalkboard. Are you ready to go? What are we looking at? Well, our title today is Grams and Kilograms. Grams and kilograms. Now, we are focusing on measurements, measuring things. One important thing that we measure is weight, how much something weighs, or how much someone weighs. We want to measure how heavy something is, then we need to use standard units. Two very, very important standard units are grams and kilograms. Grams and kilograms. You use both when you weigh things. You use grams when you weigh things, and you use kilograms when you weigh things. So what's the difference? The main difference is size. You can use kilograms when you weigh heavy things, bigger things, heavier things. Then you can use kilograms. Grams are usually used for smaller things. Kilograms are used for bigger things. How about people? Well, when we measure the weight of people, what do we use? We use kilograms. Right. If you want to measure yourself, you will say, oh, I weigh this many kilograms. Because people are bigger, people are heavier. We use kilograms to weigh people. For example, let me introduce you to my friend David. Here's David. Hi, David. Looks like David is keeping warm today. He's wearing a scarf. We want to measure how much David weighs. What do we use? Do we use grams or do we use kilograms? Right, we use kilograms because David is a person. So we talk about his weight in kilograms. So let's see. Let's put David on the scale. How much does David weigh? David weighs 50 kilograms. That's right, 50 kilograms. So my friend David weighs 50 kilograms. How much do you weigh? How many kilograms do you weigh? What is a kilogram? What is a gram? Let me show you. 1 G equals 1 gram. One kg one kilogram. 1 kg equals 1,000 G. So 1 G, 1 gram. 1 kg, 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. There are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So you can see that we will use grams when we want to measure smaller things. We will use kilograms when we want to measure bigger things, like a person. So for quantities, quantities means amounts. For quantities larger than 1,000 grams, kilograms are usually used. For example, David. David weighs more than 1,000 grams. David weighs 50 kilograms. So we don't say David weighs 50,000 grams? That's true. He does weigh 50,000 grams, but we don't say that. Because he's big, he's a person. He weighs more than 1,000 grams. We will talk about his weight in kilograms. We say David weighs 50 kilograms. So when you want to talk about how much you weigh, you will say the amount in kilograms. But if you have something small, then you can say the amount in grams. If you want to weigh a pencil or a pen, then you will say the weight in grams. But for big things, larger things, please remember kilograms are usually used. You got all that? I think you do. I think it's time for us to wrap things up and review. Also, let's say goodbye to David. Bye, David. See you later. Be right back. Okay, time for us to quickly review what we learned today. We learned about grams and kilograms. We learned that when we want to measure the weight of things, we use grams and kilograms. They are standard units for measuring weight. Generally, when we weigh smaller things, we use grams. When we weigh bigger things, Heavier things, we use kilograms. I introduce you to my friend David. I told you that David weighs 50 kilograms. When we weigh people, when we weigh ourselves, we talk about the weight in kilograms. My friend David weighs 50 kilograms. I told you that 1 kilogram equals exactly 1,000 grams. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So, for things that are bigger, things that weigh more than 1,000 grams, kilograms are usually used. Can you remember that? I bet you can. Great work, everyone. Keep studying hard, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.